In today's episode, we are going to look more in depth about how to start a pig farm business in Ghana. Hi, my name is Eric, a young farmer from Ghana. If you are here for the first time, welcome. Thanks for joining our local small community about farming in Africa and Ghana in particular. Please subscribe to the channel, share and like my videos, and please don't forget to hit that bell icon. It has been said by several farmers and business entrepreneurs that pig farming is the new go-to business venture in Ghana and Africa as a whole. It is often mentioned as the new cash cow business in Ghana and highly profitable. Although this is true, today's video has been carefully put together to help you determine if pig farm venture is viable or indeed your calling.
The bigger ones.
Identify problems you are likely to encounter, mistakes to avoid, and how to convert your business concept into a reality and be able to make more money and worry less about the business as you grow. The video will also feature all necessary ideas you might consider before starting your piggery business. To operate an effective pig farm will be based on 4 facts. 1. A practical plan with a solid foundation. 2. Dedication and willingness to succeed. 3. Your technical abilities. And then 4. Basic knowledge of management. Let me elaborate briefly on the 4 facts. A practical plan with a solid foundation. All you need to do is come up with a plan to start the pig business. After you come up with a plan, ask yourself, how are you going to implement that plan to succeed? Are you going to partner yourself with someone who has already done it and then try and copy their model, how they are doing it to succeed? Make sure your plan is solid, because you don't want to invest so much money into this business and then end up as a failure. Are you going to study to broaden your mind before you implement the plan yourself, or are you going to get someone to help you implement that plan? When I say get someone experienced enough who knows about pig farming in order to help you. With your dedication and willingness, it is all well and good to say, I want to do pig farming, and then you put so much money into it. But are you able to dedicate your time? Are you able to foresee the project? Are you able to be on ground, so they say, and make sure you are actually paying attention to what's happening to your animals? Are you able to help source the food? Are you able to help sell your products? Are you able to keep your eye on the money without it overly affecting your family work life? You need to find a way to make a balance in order to Do not run yourself to the ground. So, are you able to dedicate and be willing to sacrifice those time in a brief moment whilst the business is being implemented? And once it's done, are you able to somehow run that business on autopilot, so to say, and then be able to manage it or micromanage it somehow and be successful? With your technical abilities, as previously mentioned, try and educate yourself about the business. There's nothing worse than your employee knowing more about the business than you do. Because somehow they'll then start withholding information about the business from you. So at least have some basic knowledge about the business so that when they are talking to you, you have some questions, some serious questions to ask them that will make them think, I think this man knows about the business. I cannot lie to him. I cannot do this. Basic knowledge of management. You should be able to have some kind of plan in place about record keeping, how to know who your animals are being sold to, how to know where your piglets are going if you're selling them as piglets, where you're sourcing your food, how much you're paying, what is costing you in terms of electricity if you're running electricity on the farm, or what you pay for water, how much you're paying your workers. All this, you need to have an idea about it in order to run a successful business.
Whoa, I,
As a new owner, you will need to master the skills and techniques if your business is to be successful. You will need to identify your reasons why you want to be a pig farmer. Once you have identified your reasons, ask yourself, why do you want to be a pig farmer? This is fundamental and is often overlooked. Is it the freedom from daily 9 to 5 working routine you are looking to avoid? Are you looking to become your own boss, setting up your own hours, improving the living conditions, doing what and when you want? Do you hate or you are bored of your current working conditions or job? Are you planning of breaching the gap that already exists in the pig industry? As you answer those questions honestly, you need to then set yourself and see what skills you already have and what you need to improve on. Once you've once you have identified these skills, try and obtain them. Don't forget, some reasons are better than others. Only you know why you want to start the piggery business. Remember that there will be some trade-offs. Your aim could be you want to escape the daily 9 to 5 routine and end up with a new 7 to 7 daily routine when starting your new piggery venture. Starting a new piggery can be demanding and require focus and dedication. Let's look at preliminary analysis, major flaws that can affect your piggery business. You will need to ask yourself why you think your piggery will be a success. Are there any causes such as restrictions that will hinder the progress of your piggery? Are there shortages, demands of pig meat in the market? What is your financial power? Are you able to sustain the business until you start to make profit? If necessary, are you able to obtain funds to keep your piggery business afloat? Self-analysis. Starting a new piggery requires certain determinations and attention to details. As an individual, what is your level of understanding in the piggery business? Do you need external body to help you establish the business? You will need to be able to cope under pressure and be able to multitask in order to see what is happening. You need to check the health of your animals. Do you need to call the vet, or are you able to attend to that particular problem? What are you going to feed the pigs as day-to-day routines kicks in? Starting your own piggery can be very exciting. It is highly rewarded. The money involved to start off it can be very challenging. It is intensive, especially if you're doing intensive piggery compared to the outdoor piggery. You still need to ask yourself certain questions though. Ask yourself, are you physically able to cope with the demand of the job? Can you commit to your own work schedule? Are you prepared to lower the living standards whilst you get your business off the ground? Ask yourself these questions hardly and answer them honestly. After you have done all your research into starting a piggery, your next question should be, who is your market? Are you planning to sell your pigs to restaurants or individuals? Are you planning to sell them to family and friends or supermarkets? Once you've established this, you need to then come up with a business plan to market this to your target market. Thank you for watching. Don't forget, if you have any specific questions, please ask them in the comment section below, and I will respond in the form of a video. If you are here for the first time, please subscribe, like and share this video. Do not forget to hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Bye bye for now.